Welcome to Choice Champions. The best heated comb is probably one of the most underrated grooming tools for men. If you're tired of a messy, unkempt beard, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of heated combs, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to tame that facial hair. Get ready to say goodbye to the unruly beard and hello to a smooth, stylish look. Number 5. Terviiix Electric Hot Comb for Black Hair. This is the Terviiix Electric Hot Comb, designed for all hair types. It's perfect for straightening hair, wigs, and beards. The removable anti-scald shield protects your skin from burns. It's designed to be safe and user-friendly, especially for pressing roots and styling lace front wigs. With 5 adjustable heat settings, it reaches up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can choose the right temperature for your hair type and desired style. The temperature control button is designed to prevent accidental shutoffs. The comb teeth are infused with argan oil, keratin, and tourmaline. These ingredients reduce frizz and create a smoother texture. The ceramic coating distributes heat evenly, minimizing damage. For safety, it automatically shuts off after 60 minutes. It also features dual voltage, making it ideal for travel. The 6.5-foot swivel cord provides tangle-free styling. The strong grip handle and lightweight design make it easy to use for extended periods. It's perfect for both salon and home use. What we like. This comb's anti-scald design ensures safety, making it perfect for those new to heated combs. It offers multiple heat settings, allowing you to customize the temperature for your hair type. If you have sensitive skin or are concerned about heat damage, this comb's infused teeth and safety features make it an excellent choice. What people say. The comb heats up quickly and evenly. It has multiple heat settings, allowing for customization based on beard thickness and desired style. The design is ergonomic and easy to handle. Number 4. Viking Revolution Folding Sandalwood Beard Comb. Are you looking for the best grooming experience? This folding sandalwood comb is what you need. It's designed to give you the best grooming experience wherever you go. Say goodbye to static and pulling. This comb is great for removing knots. It's perfect for applying oils and balms, leaving your beard looking and feeling its best. Made from the highest quality sandalwood, this comb is built to last. The natural material ensures a smooth glide through your hair and beard. Take it with you wherever you go. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in your pocket. It ensures you can maintain your grooming routine anytime, anywhere. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us. We'll make sure you're taken care of. What we like. This comb's folding design and pocket size make it incredibly convenient for grooming on the go. Crafted from high-quality sandalwood, it offers a natural grooming experience. If you are a frequent traveler or someone who values portability and natural materials, this comb is a great fit for your lifestyle. What people say. The comb feels solid and well-made, and the sandalwood smells amazing. He loves how smooth it glides through his beard without tugging or static. It is small and compact and convenient for travel. I hit no snags whilst combing. I have a very thick beard and this comb does exactly what I need it to do. Not to mention it smells like sandalwood, highly recommend. Number 3. Tame the Wild Pro Beard Grooming Kit. This complete kit includes everything you need for beard care. It comes with a heated beard brush, balm, spray, soap, comb, and a travel case. This set is perfect for all beard types. The heated beard straightener allows you to style your beard with ease. It offers 12 temperature settings, ranging from 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives you full control over your grooming. The kit includes a shea butter beard balm and a heat protectant spray. The balm conditions and relieves itchiness. The spray protects the hair from heat damage, keeping it soft and healthy. The walnut granules and the soap help exfoliate the skin. This promotes better blood circulation and beard growth. It's ideal for maintaining a clean and healthy beard and skin. This Tame the Wild Beard Grooming Kit makes the perfect gift for men. It comes with a high-quality canvas travel case. This makes it convenient for storage and on-the-go grooming needs. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for comprehensive beard care, from a heated straightener to balm and spray. The heated straightener offers multiple temperature settings for versatile styling. If you are looking for a complete grooming solution with all the essentials, this kit provides everything you need to maintain a well-groomed beard. What people say. The straightener works better than a blow dryer and straightens efficiently. Heats quickly and is easy to use. Bristles are built in a way that the hot parts don't ever touch your skin. Easy to use. Number 2. Beard Club Derma Roller, Microneedling for face, body, scalp. Don't have the Viking beard DNA? No problem. This Derma Roller is the perfect tool to kickstart your beard and skincare routine. It's designed to help you on your bearded adventure. This roller features 540 titanium-coated 0.25mm microneedles. These needles are designed for optimal performance and safety, ensuring effective microneedling for both hair and beard. Use it on your face, scalp, or beard. This product is suitable for both men and women. You can achieve salon-quality results at home without spending a fortune with this microneedling roller. Keep your Derma roller safe with the included case. This ensures the needles remain undamaged and ready for reuse. It's perfect for your hair, beard, and skin care needs. Looking for a great gift? This is perfect for beard and skincare enthusiasts. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Enhance your grooming routine with this thoughtful gift. What we like. This Derma roller uses microneedling technology to stimulate hair growth and improve skin health. The titanium needles ensure effective and safe use. If you are looking to boost your beard growth or improve your skin's appearance, this Derma roller is a great addition to your grooming routine. What people say. Easy to use and feels high quality. I've noticed new hair growth and thicker patches after a few weeks. Works even better when combined with beard oil. Highly recommend. After starting my beard journey, I wanted a simple at-home tool to refresh my skin and support grooming. I needed something versatile enough to use on my face, beard, and even scalp, and this Derma roller fit that need without a big price tag. In daily use I wash my face, dry it, and roll gently over the target areas in several directions. The 0.25mm needles feel mild and sessions are quick, usually just a few minutes. The included case keeps the tool clean between uses, and the compact size makes it easy to stash in my cabinet or travel kit. Number 1. Wild Willies Beard Straightener for Men. Introducing the Wild Willies 2-in-1 Heated Comb and Beard Hair Straightener. This tool transforms your unruly facial hair into a sleek, stylish beard in seconds. It's the easiest way to enhance your daily look. This beard iron straightener features PTC technology with self-regulating heat elements. It has 3 temperature settings, reaching up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The anti-scald design makes it safe and comfortable for all beard types. Achieve a polished look with this beard straightening brush. The tourmaline ceramic heating plates distribute heat evenly. The negative ion function protects your hair from damage, leaving it healthy and vibrant. Enjoy peace of mind with this safe and convenient beard hair straightener. It has an automatic energy-saving mode and an LED temperature display. The 360-degree swivel cord ensures tangle-free grooming. Wild Willies is for men who are passionate about their lifestyle. This product helps you reach your beard goals and boost your personal hygiene. Live your best life, and we'll be there with you. What we like. This heated brush offers effortless grooming with its ionic technology and multiple temperature settings. It quickly transforms unruly facial hair into a sleek, stylish beard. If you like a quick and easy way to achieve a polished look, this comb is designed for your convenience and style. What people say. The 2-in-1 heated beard straightening comb makes styling my beard a breeze. The heated bristles heat up quickly and evenly, resulting in a smooth and polished finish to my beard. Both functions work incredibly well, leaving your beard looking polished and professional. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.